Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today I'm doing an exciting video number 5 of the series Side Hustle series that I'm doing how to make money online. And this is one of my top uh, to the top favorite ways of making money besides what I'm doing right now, which is YouTube. Besides YouTube, membership community is one of the great way to grow your audience and help somebody else to grow their audience as well. There's so many different ways to make money online. Some people think it's, oh, you have to start a blog, or you have to start YouTube channel, you just have to sell books, create a course, things like that. But with this membership business model membership program, you can really share your expertise and help somebody else from going not knowing how to do something, how to draw, how to cook, how to start a business, how to um, start their real estate, you know side hustle or something like that, to knowing how to do it with monthly subscription and helping them along your members along the line, along the way. So this is one of the great platform that I was talking about before. Now, the reason why I want you to draw attention to this one is because you know as you can see, there are other places that like different platform like Teachable or Thinkific, or you teachers pay teachers. So many different places, different platform I was talking about. They charge monthly subscription like Vonza. Yeah, if you look at my previous video that I just did, before this one, talk about they charging you monthly and it's ongoing. Now there is this one limited time offer for this membership lifetime membership program platform, that they're gonna host lifetime hosting for you and lifetime email support for you. And I think this is a really great, one of the best deals that I have found regarding membership program, that you can not only create a community and to help people in your community. You can create a basic free tiers for people, and then you can create a um, member premium content for your members. They host the website for you, so that's why I say lifetime hosting. You'll probably just need to pay at most your custom domain, which is about like a dollar to $2 a month at most. So yeah, definitely something you want to check out. Now I want to draw your attention to is that this plan here, they have 1,000 built-in features. Now, with before there's other lifetime deal, they only give you like 20 built-in features, things like that, and they charge you hundreds of dollars already. Now, this one, you get 1,000, so that's like 50 times more, okay? And not only that, you get 100,000 members. Before, the highest plan that AppSumo had before was 50K. Now, the thing I also like about this one is it says app ready for Android and OS. So this is really cool that you can plug into create an app, things like that, if you want to. Create unlimited membership plan. Now, daily website backup. Other um, unlimited plan, other lifetime deal they have is not daily backup plan. Backup for your website is more like 14 days, things like that. Okay, so I found this one. I just want to show you that this is really a great deal if you have a chance to check it out. They also have a developer tools, meaning that you can add other things to this website here to get a lot of to get um, a lot more. So let's just say Zapier and webhook. If you want to add an external email contact, things like that. But remember, this is unlimited email contact. You can manage up to this many amount of member, but look, unlimited amount of email contact. That is so crazy. You can have a lot of members on here, and you can just email those members. But I believe that, you know what, I kind of curious about this one. With this limit here, you have 100,000, but still, it's a lot, you know. Ooh, yeah, look at this. You can add on more members, paid monthly or yearly, but it's only like $100 per year to add another 10K, which is nothing. It's like $10 a month. You know, if you add on just this amount of members, these members could have just paid for your your whole plan already. So yeah, it's basically something worth looking into. The thing is they have something like this, so it's you build small and you build slow instead of you sign on a monthly payment for a member subscription plan from other platform like Thinkific or Vonza, things like that. But then you have to remember you have to pay until you get to that level. So definitely, this is something that worth looking into. And even if when you go to Teachable or Thinkific, things like that, you have to remember that. Let me see the pricing for. Oops, my bad. Thinkific, where is it at? Right here. Sorry. Uh, so this one here, Thinkific, their features expand to this free community 149. See, that's like having three communities. But still, you don't want to pay this monthly and you just want to go with this plan here and pay $10 per month if you want to add more members from what you have 100K members and if you grow past 100K members. Yeah, definitely can add more at that point because you have the fund for that. Okay. So yeah, I hope they have a chance to check it out. Automated recurrent payment. They have Google AdSense on here, add on. They have YouTube video library to teach you how to do all this stuff. Lead generation tools, email marketing. Yeah, definitely worth it because email marketing is really expensive. If you have a chance to check out ConvertKit or other any platform, if you just simply sign up for their email tools, definitely it's going to be a lot of money. Sometimes they charge you more than sign like Thinkific and stuff just to have that email marketing in there. So yeah, this one here, this email marketing is included in that plan. You have newsletters sent out. You have 40 pre-made email template as well. So everything is pre-made for you, and I think it's a really great option. Now, the theme that they have for Brilliant Directory, if you have a chance to look browse all theme here, you go here and it tells you, oh, they have a service provider theme, they have a local city directory theme, they have membership theme. This is what we're talking about here. If you want to create a theme for your brand, they also have classified real estate listing. So definitely. This is where you can create an real estate listing theme where they have it all pre-made for you. You just need to add your information on here. And it's similar to Craigslist, Zillow, OfferUp, Nextdoor, Eventbrite, all that stuff here, Redfin, etc. So for this price, definitely it's worth it. Um, so check out the description below. I probably gonna put some discount price on there if you're interested in checking it out, and I hope that you do if you ever have a chance to go into this. Even if you're not going to like membership per se and you just want to have a way to start growing your audience, you want to um, sell like digital products and things like that, you just sell lead to multiple members, you just want to sell like a course or something like that on here, or premium content, they have an option for you in here to have a pay per features for you that you can post your digital products on here. They have 10 gigabyte storage disk space and then premium cloud hosting, daily website backup, and then unlimited amount email account, things like that for that members. Yeah, so and then you can later on upgrade it. It's just not like limited to that amount only. And see, you have email ticket, unlimited security updates, all that stuff is on here. And you can also check out their ads on just to find out all these ads on. They have free ads on here on all the website. And then you can do top 20 and then more premium add on. You just add on what you like and it's pre-made for you. Okay? And it's very affordable. So I'm gonna put some links on the bottom with affiliate links, but it's gonna give you some discount if you want to go through that links there. So let me know what you think, and if you have a chance to you want to check out content publishing, SEO, blogging system. They have the custom domain for you, the hosting for you, Google coupon galleries, and Google Maps. Allow members to create a stunning photo. Use coupon, yeah, blocking system, yeah, things like that. Simple lock. I was just so amazed at how much this, platform has to offer. And you can do published article, dedicated blog, schedule blog, and just ask. You can join a community on here, and they show you, things like that to help you monetize. Okay, hope you find something interesting. If you learn something new, um, let me know. And if you have any questions, just let me know on the bottom in the description below. And if you would check out this way platform here. You can also sign up for my newsletter and subscribe for more notification on when I'm going to post a video. I don't have a set time and date, like certain time. Usually it's the weekends. Then I start working and posting it. Usually that's when, for the most part, my video is going to come out on the weekends. So if you don't want to miss a video, feel free to subscribe and notifications bell so that you get an update right away when I post a video and tips and tricks on the new stuff that's coming out. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.